Good evening. We have developed the ER solution for the every style, every type of manufacturing industries. We have covered all the point that is required for the any industrial company or industrial solutions. So mainly we have covered the accounting part. In accounting, we have the sales order, purchase order, sales. That after that we have budget planner. We have if you want to set any financial goal, we can have that also provision in the system. So additionally we have the CRM for the sales team. In that we have the lead generation and deal management. So that we have project management system, in that we can create the project, assign the task, or analyze the all the progress of the project in at one place. After that we have product system. In product system, we can add a raw material or finished good accordingly. After that, we have point of sale system. We have here we can add multiple warehouses. We can create a purchase order. Same for the same. We can also create a quotation. And additionally, we have the multiple features in the ERP. Let's start from the dashboard. We have the all types of dashboard for the all department, like account department have the this one stop dashboard. Here we can have the view of all customers, vendors, total number of invoices generated in the month, and same for the bills. Also we can have the look into the cash flow of company, where after that we have the income versus expense range in the dashboard, and same for the number amount balance in the our accounts. So we have the some recent invoice and recent bill. The admin can view that. And this is a SaaS model. Means client employee have the same, or according to permissions they can view the view and login into system. So afterwards we have HR model. In HR we have the number of staffs. According to that we have this attendance, and we have the task calendar also. In our system we have the multiple number of reports we can generate in all module. In account section we can get the number of reports like sales report, invoice reports, cash flow report, transaction reports, or much more. Same for CRM and project management. We have the different type of dashboard. In that we have the total number of project, total number of task. When we click on task, we can have the redirect to the particular page. The total expense of the on for project, we can have the look into this, and we have the graph here for the get the overview about task versus hour basis. After that we have point of sale. In point of sale, mainly we can see the purchase of the month and sale of the month. According to that, the graph will generate. So firstly we deep dive into account system, that the main part of the any manufacturing company. In account system we can have the banking. Here we can add the multiple accounts of company. After that we have the transfer amount. If you want to transfer amount from one account to another account, we can also have the record in the system. But we can generate the sales. For the sales we have the separate module name as sales. In that we have to create a customer, we have to create a sales order. According to sales order we can generate the invoice. After invoice generate, we have the credit note and a revenue format in your system. Because we have to add a customer, we can enter the customer information. According to that, we can create the sales order. Here the icon. We create, select the issue date and create. So additionally, we have done the integration with email. So we can send a proposal or sales order from our system without any download or anything. Also, same model or same system have the on client side also. He can receive the notification. He can receive the email about their orders over the project completion. So if we send from this, he receive the proposal and we get update on this, and according to that, on the update of the proposal we can update it is accepted, it declined, or it's open. We can switch from the one status to another, or from here we can also download the proposal or sales elements. And also additionally we have added one feature is QR code. When we scan from the mobile or any device, we can get all information about the sales order or proposal. After that, we can generate the invoice from the same, convert into invoice. Oops. We have received the invoice. You can see here the invoice generated on today. And where we go for the invoice. Also, same for invoice, we can send here and approve the payment over the get the payment from the customer. Same for according to the sales order, we can create a credit note, and on purchase, we can create a debit note also. In purchase, we can create a supplier's purchase order and payment of the suppliers. We can have from these models. Can create a here from here we can also write a debit note. So we can create a debit note, or the data will fetch from the bill means purchase order. You can have a summary of the debit note. So we can also have the edit. We get update from the suppliers. So that we have the multiple other functions like chart of account, general account, ledger summary, balance sheet, profit loss, uh, profit loss overall. That will be filter. We have the multiple filter. Old also we can download from the here. That we have budget planner, financial goal, accounting setup. That's this from account department. After that we have the CRM, customer relationship management system. In that we have the lead section. We can create a lead, and here we have Canvan dashboard. We can have the drag and drop. Sorry, Here we get all information about CRM, the who is the salesperson, what the stage of the CRM, and is there any product requirement emails that we have conversation with the uh, customer. We have the all information at one place. Source, discussion, mails, notes, and we have some any types of file sharing with the sales team and the customer. We can have that all, or also we can have the drag and drop and upload the files. We have the all type of sales call description, sales call duration, which is assigned or which is the supervisor. We can assign from here. Or also we can also have called as a responsible person. Yes. That we have the deal section. Here we can have the same deal open, deal close. We can have to create that deal name and which client, what the price of deal. So we can create that. To give all information. After that, we have the contract. We can also have the contract management. In that, we can create a number of contract and save the information of the contract. From here, we can create the contract, fill up the details. Here we have generated contract and we can have the description about the contract, number of attachment, comments or notes. We can add from here. After that, we have the CRM setup. Here we can create a which pipeline, lead status. Here we want any status we can add from here. Same for lead stages, source of lead generation, label of lead, and the contract type. So next part is project management system. Here we can have the all companies project. So we if you get any client on board, we can create a project for that. Here project name, start date, expected end date. If you have any project design, so we can upload from here. This we have to select the client, user, or user in the sense which employee are working on this project. So we have to select from here. So if you want to add project budget, estimate hours, we can add from here. So once we create it, the project is look like this. Here we have the total number of task, budget, and total expense. It have the prediction of past or 7 days reports. We have see The all the data is how many days are left, on how many tasks are open or completed milestones. This chart shows according to days. This chart shows according to hours spent on the project in last 7 days. After that, we can see the member of the project who is working on this, and after that we have the milestones. So from here we have multiple options for the track and creating designs or timelines. We have the multiple options like Gantt chart, tracker, expense, timesheet, bug, report, and task. In tasks, we can create a multiple task according to their stages like to do, progress, review, done, review by project manager, and deploy on server. Yes, after we create a task, if you click on that, we get the more information about the task, and we can create a subtask of the project from clicking here. And if you have any additional attachment like BRD requirement, business requirement document, or any flowchart of the development, we can attach from here. If you have any comment for this project or any note, we can add from here. And also this system is support to the chat GPT, means we have the integrated with AI, so we can get easily information about the comment writing or any suggestions to the other member of the project. So we can get the all task list with priority, what the current stage is or what is the end date, and which team member are working on the project. Same for the completion. After that, we have the user management, most important thing in the ERP. Means this ERP is belong to the SaaS model. Means everyone has a separate access of the login, and on each point we can create multiple login for different role in company. Like developers have the another login, uh, administrator, the purchase manager have the another, sales manager have the another. This type of roles and users we can create from. If you create multiple users, same for the we can assign the roles. We can have the assign for staff, for CRM management, for project management. Everyone has a separate role and permissions, so we can give the permission from here. After that, we can give the same model to the client, and we have, if you want to add more client, we can directly add from here. Same name of client, email address of the client, and if you enable the password, so we can generate a password for the client. And also suppose if you create a client and if you enter a right email ID, so he get notification from this system that we get added by the Eptiq Eptiq Technologies for the this which project. That type of email he can get from our system. After that, we have the product system. Here we can add our raw material or the finished products according to categories. So if you want to create a new project, click on the plus button and fill up the information. The name, SKU values of the product, sales price, income account, means from if you sell that product, the amount or that is sale amount which come from which account we can add here. After that, we have the purchase and purchase account. Same for the tax category, which unit of measure we can select from here. After that, we have the product image, number of quantity, and a description about the product. After that, we have the product stock. We can get all information about how much product or current quantity available in our system. And here also we have to implement a stock adjustment system in the system. Let add, yeah, the electric motor have the 16 quantity after the stock adjustment. After that, we have the point of sale system. In that, we have the warehouse. We can create a multiple warehouse according to our requirement or our units. Name of warehouse, address, city, and zip code of the warehouse. After that, we for every warehouse we have to purchase some material. So we can create a purchase from here. For the purchase, we have to select after the completion of the purchase process or after GRM, the this product store in which warehouse. We have to select on purchase. Purchase date. Select the item, number of quantity. We have to create. So we have created a purchase and we can share on same mail to the suppliers, and where we have the payment summary. So that the first quotation creation. So that we have the point of sale and the transfer of the product from one warehouse to another warehouse. Select warehouse to the which product. So, alright. Here we get entry Eptiq Technologies from warehouse to north warehouse, product name and the quantity. Same for date and what is the action for. We can delete or edit the product. After that, in system we have implemented the barcode system. Here we can get the system get automatically generate the barcode of the each project that we have entered in the system. Also we have the implemented for the print the barcode or the number of product. We get generate the barcode for the each product. So if you want to sell the raw material